Hi everyone, so the model for this video is going to be an octopus. It has all 8 legs and it's very satisfying to fold actually, if you know what you're doing. But without further ado, let's get folding. Alright, so for the paper I'll try using something a bit different today. I'm going to use some of this paper that I painted with a navy blue paint. So ignore this crease in the middle. So let's turn over. And let's valley fold along the horizontal line. Alright, unfold, rotate, and repeat. I'm sorry it doesn't fill the camera view. Okay, sorry, my camera ran out of battery. Okay, so let's take this point and fold it to this point. Can't really see it, but it's right there. It's the valley fold. This paper was not a good idea. Now do the same here. Take this point, fold to this point. Alright. Now, we're going to reverse fold these, so unfold, let's open this, and let's reverse fold it. So make this a mountain fold, and this is already a mountain fold, and you know the drill, just reverse fold. And then reverse fold this side too. Oh yeah, sorry about this band-aid. I don't know how I cut myself, but I cut myself and yeah, it kind of hurt. Anyways, reverse fold. Alright, now we can have, as you can see, a water bomb base. Now we're going to do something that's kind of like that balloon that you can make, that simple model. Let's take this point and fold it to this point. Oh, actually I'll make that point a little nicer. It's kind of hard to make sharp points on this kind of paper. Alright, so again, take this point, fold to this point. And do the same with this point. Alright, now take this tip and yeah, fold it down to here. Alright. I better make my lines crisp so that you can see them, and unfold these two. Now you want to make kind of like a crimp, I guess. So you want to open this. This should be a mountain fold, and then this should be a valley. So pinch across like that, and then this should go inwards. These are all in the existing creases, so we shouldn't have to make anything new. Alright, and repeat all of that on this side. Okay, there we go. And then repeat what you did here on the other side. Okay, now we kind of have a resemblance of a base. We have our 8 flaps in here, and then this top flap will become the head in our octopus. So let's, let's take this point and fold up to this point, just so that we have an intersection. You can't see it, but it's there. Turn over, and let's do the same thing here. Right now, unfold. Maybe if I zoom in, that will help. Okay, so you want to make this crease here. We're going to fold this point to the middle. It's pretty hard to see, but I think you'll know what I mean. Okay, then take these 2 points and fold it up to the center line. And let's valley fold along this crease that we just made. And then let's take this point and fold it to this point. Okay, now let's do this on that side. Alright, now let's unfold our work. Okay. Now we have to unfold our work. And we have to kind of open this too. And we're going to be making multiple open sinks. Maybe you can see it on the other side. Yeah, you can see it there this side. So there's going to be a ring of valleys and mountains and valleys again. On this side it'll be mountains, valleys, and then mountains again. But let's pinch around the paper along the existing creases. We're basically doing 3 sinks. And we're doing this to make the flaps nice and thin for our octopus. Alright, so we've got the mountain, and now we can pinch around the corners to make our next valley a little easier. Okay, you might already have the valley, and yeah, we can kind of collapse it if you go like that. And now you have to sink this point in. So let's open again and mountain fold this in. It's kind of like an upside down water pump base. You can see what I mean when you turn it over. You can see it kind of looks like a water bomb base in there. Alright. And you've collapsed that. Should look like that. And repeat on this side. Okay, so at the front, let's fold this flap over this way. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Alright, and now we'll have to repeat all of this work that we did here on this side. Okay, so now if we fold this flap down, then we have our base. So that gives us all the 8 points for our octopus's legs, and we have this top flap here, which we can use to make his head. Alright, now we have to shape the octopus, which, as you may have thought, it is a very repetitive process like the rest, because there's like 8 legs. But anyways, let's take the middle flap here and reverse fold it up. And let's do that with, just the middle flap can be reverse folded, so let's just valley fold this part up and mountain fold this flap up like that, and do that on this side. Alright, that's good enough. Now we have to do, oops, that one came undone. Now we have to do these ones. So this is where it doesn't really lie flat anymore. And you just have to do like a, I think it's called minor miracle fold. And then just like reverse fold it. This part's kind of messy, but that's how you have to do it sometimes. Alright, so now we can start to see the shape of our octopus. Now what we have to do is we have to make these nice and skinny, and that is very repetitive. So what we have to do is fold this flap in half, so mount and fold it in. And you could keep it like that, but maybe to make it a little nicer you can unfold and then open sink this in, which is quite a bit harder. Alright, just do your best. Alright, that's pretty good. And repeat that part on here. Alright, that took a very long time, but that's what you get. And if it's too hard, just really valley fold it in. It's no big deal. And you have to do that. Repeat this on the other 3 middle flaps. Alright, so I did not show like a time lapse of this because it took quite a while, but I will show you how to do a close sink again, because I realized my demonstration wasn't very good, I don't know, it wasn't good. So, take this edge and fold it to this crease, like that. This part down here, you have to fold it back to make sure you valley fold it right. Okay, now unfold, and we're gonna put our finger inside this pocket. There is a layer in there, doesn't matter which side your finger's on. Let's do the top first because that's the easiest. You push this part in, and then it should line up with the existing creases that you can't see on this paper, and then push this side in, and then let these 2 sides go together. Just merge them together, and then flatten, and then you should have that. So I hope that was a little easier to understand. For these ones, we're not going to open sink them. We're just going to reverse fold them. Make life easier for us. Okay, so we have that. And then repeat on the other 3 legs. Alright, I think that's all of them. Oh yeah, you may have noticed I don't have my band-aid anymore. It's because it's a new day. I've been recording this over the course of 2 days. So, right now the legs look a little gross, but we can fix that. Yeah, let's fix it right now. So, take this leg or whatever, and like, pinch it like this, so it kind of forms like a backwards S. Or you could do it the other way if you want. But I'm just going to do it this way for fun. And then that's your leg. Now we've curved all the legs. They're looking slightly less atrocious, but now we're going to make the head. So this is a little hard, so you want to hold it like this, and then we're going to push this side in so that this becomes 3-dimensional. Well, you can hold it like this, so you can hold it like this, or whatever side you want to be the head. So in this case, this is going to be the head. So you want to do this in just one move. You don't want to stop in the middle. So you want to pull this apart and then push this in. So it's going to be like this. Okay, now I know it's messy on the inside, but that's fine. It will look hopefully nice on the outside. You can clean it up. Let's clean it up a bit. Okay. Alright. And now for a final step, you can round it out if you want. There. And then you can fix it up a little bit. Okay. And yeah, I think I'm happy with it there. So that's the octopus. I hope you're able to fold this. This is rather complex. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.